Hello. We are in touch with you System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. A little further, we will look at each parameter in more detail. If necessary, you can put it on stop. We suggest that you look at all the indicators of the corporation in question more closely. Now let's compare the current indicators of the corporation Moog Inc., ticker MOG-A. This review is based on current data as of June 22, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, Corporation Moog Incorporated belongs to the subcategory Space. 15 organizations are participating in the analysis. We will look at the order table at the end of the video. Result for the company under study, 6.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is minus 4.2 points. If you look at it from a very broad perspective, within the framework of the market in general, we can see that the average result for the entire market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a score of 6.5 for Moog Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's stock price Moog Inc. and subcategory shares, we will see that in 12 months the shares Moog Incorporated showed a change of 7.8%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory, 296.2%. Market capitalization of the company Moog Incorporated valued at $5.5 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $32 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $1.62 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $4 billion. By comparing the shares of stock exchange and book value, we can see the following. Share Moog Inc. in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 17.263%. Book value capitalization is 38.426%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under analysis has debts of $1.196 billion. Debt to book value accounts for 74% of the company's capital. The result of the company's debt obligations, passable, 0 points. The company's market price to profit ratio is 26.4. Average for subcategory 0. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $208 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $296 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 1.5. The average in the subcategory is 5.4. Evaluation of the exchange value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $3,670 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is provisionally $4,760 million. Assessment of the indicators of expected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 5.7%, with an average in the subcategory of minus 19.4%. Marginality assessment compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 62.891%. This is 264% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $407,000. While in the subcategory there are $1,484,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's profit per employee is $15,400, with an average for the subcategory, minus $52,900. Evaluation of profit per individual employee compared to indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue share per individual employee is $272,000. Subcategory, $273,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Shares for sale account for 2%, with an average for the subcategory of 10.2%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 41% for the company Moog Incorporated. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 55%. The company's actual share price is approximately $174. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $214. Let's look at the order table. It is available. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made this season by the reference system, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of securities Moog Incorporated, information and reference system Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a buy order at $174.39. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a relatively high valuation. The company's assessment was carried out based on the assessment method, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 213.52. Stop loss is set at 135.26. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, the transaction is fixed independently based on the results of the exchange session on July 22, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker, RKLB, will be a balancing transaction for sale. The video on the balance transaction will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing one of the orders, the basic or balancing one, the opposite order is fixed at the last price. Thank you all very much for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.